Have you ever wondered what would happen if you replaced all your drinks with water for an entire month? Imagine the transformation your body could undergo, the changes you might feel, and the benefits you could reap. It's a simple yet powerful shift that can have profound effects on your overall health and well-being. Alright, let's dive in. We're about to explore 9 surprising benefits of drinking only water. First off, let's talk about weight loss. This is one of the most immediate and noticeable benefits. By swapping out sugary sodas, juices, and other calorie-laden drinks for water, you're essentially cutting out tons of unnecessary calories. These drinks often contain hidden sugars and empty calories that contribute to weight gain. It's like burning off the same amount of calories as running an 8 kilometers jog. Just think about it. Without even hitting the gym, you're making a significant impact on your calorie intake. Imagine shedding those extra pounds just by making this simple switch. Your clothes will fit better, and you'll feel more confident. Next up, your metabolism gets a major boost. A well-hydrated body functions more efficiently. Drinking 17 fluid ounces of water in the morning can increase your metabolism by a whopping 24%. This jumpstart to your metabolism can help you burn more calories throughout the day. Picture this, your body turning into a calorie-burning machine, all thanks to one tall glass of water. It's a simple habit with powerful results. And let's not forget about brain function. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining cognitive performance. Staying hydrated keeps your brain sharp, improving concentration and energy levels. When your brain is well hydrated, it can process information more efficiently and keep you alert. Think of your brain lighting up and tackling tasks with laser focus. Whether you're at work, studying, or just going about your day, water can help you stay on top of your game. Water also helps suppress your appetite. This can be a game changer for those looking to manage their weight. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger. This common confusion can lead to unnecessary snacking and overeating. By drinking water, you can better differentiate between the two, helping you avoid unnecessary snacking. This simple habit can help you maintain a healthier diet. Your stomach will thank you. You'll feel more satisfied and less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. Now let's talk about skin. Hydration plays a key role in maintaining healthy skin. Drinking water flushes out toxins and keeps your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Proper hydration can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and give your skin a natural glow. It's like a natural anti-aging treatment, giving you that healthy glow. But that's not all. Water's benefits extend far beyond just skin deep. Water reduces the risk of diseases like hypertension, bladder conditions, bowel cancer, and even heart attacks by 41%. Staying hydrated supports your body's vital functions and helps prevent chronic illnesses. Just imagine your body's organs getting healthier and stronger with every sip. Each glass of water you drink is an investment in your long-term health. And let's not forget the practical benefits. Drinking only water can have a positive impact on your finances. By only drinking water, you'll save a ton of money. Think about all the expensive coffees, sodas, and energy drinks you won't be buying. No more spending on fancy lattes or sugary drinks. Your wallet will thank you for making this cost-effective choice. Your wallet will be heavier and your body will feel lighter. It's a win-win situation for both your health and your finances. So, what are you waiting for? The benefits of drinking only water are clear and compelling. Give it a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself. You'll be surprised at how much better you feel. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome health tips. Remember, water is life. It's the simplest, most natural way to improve your health. Drink up and stay healthy.